My name is Diane and I've been investigating to what extent students playing computer games differ to those who play outdoor games in Year 7. I based this question on two questions found on the website www.cas.abs.gov.au. These questions were: estimate how many hours a week you usually spend doing these activities, playing sports, outdoor games and activities, and playing computer video games. I've used several graphs, including a stem and leaf plot, with video on the left and sport on the right. Please also note the other graphs. The pie chart is the easiest to read. Here we can see that in total 390 hours are spent playing sport, whereas 401 hours are spent playing video games. So at a glance we can see video games are played more than outdoor games over a week. However, this pie chart is limited in detail, whereas the other graphs provide more detail. The mean was calculated by finding the average, that is, adding all the numbers and dividing that by the amount of numbers I have. So for sport it was 10, video games 10.28. The median was calculated by finding the number in the middle of all the numbers. Sport 6, video games 4. The mode obviously is the number which appears the most. Sport 4, video games 2. The range is explained by the largest number minus the smallest number. Sport 39, video games 40. It would seem that students spend more time playing video games than outdoor games. However, the difference isn't as great as I thought it was going to be. As the mean time suggests, a student spends 10 hours outdoors playing sport compared to students spending 10.28 hours a week on video games. The meaning that can be taken from the results can indicate that students seem to prefer playing video games to outdoor games. This could be for various reasons: weather conditions, cost of sporting equipment, fees, parental time available. While video games are becoming more popular in households with an easier availability and lower cost, the results could be generalised beyond the sample to include other year level and other school levels. The results could be applied to real life in such a way that more focus could be placed on sports in the curriculum and encouraging sporting teams through the school environment. The results should not be used in promoting sport itself at the moment, as it suggests that students prefer video games. If an outdoor activity advertising company were to use this information, they would need to be careful, possibly to reiterate the point that more active sport from students is needed.